Today, we're diving into the world of key fob replacements with NPAUTO key fob for Ford vehicles. Specifically designed for models ranging from 2015 to 2017, including the Ford F150, F250, F350, and F450 Super Duty, as well as the 2016 to 2017 Ford Expedition. This key fob boasts compatibility and functionality that aims to rival the original factory key point. One of the key features of this replacement is its seamless compatibility. It's been rigorously tested to ensure it meets strict quality and durability standards, making it a reliable option for those in need of a replacement key fob. However, it's crucial to double-check compatibility with your vehicle before making a purchase. Programming this key fob might require professional assistance, as self-programming is not available. This means you'll need to visit a qualified locksmith or dealer to have it cut and programmed. Additionally, it's worth noting that this key fob is designed specifically for vehicles with push-start buttons, so if your vehicle doesn't have this feature, this key fob may not be suitable for you. In terms of sturdiness and durability, the NPAUTO key fob doesn't disappoint. With its upgraded chip and premium engineering materials, it's built to withstand everyday wear and tear, ensuring a long operation life. Plus, it comes with a range of remote control features, including lock, unlock, trunk release, panic alarm, and remote start, providing convenience and peace of mind to users. Overall, the NPAUTO key fob replacement offers a reliable solution for those in need of a replacement or spare key fob for their Ford vehicles. With its compatibility, durability, and range of features, it's certainly worth considering if you find yourself in need of a new key fob. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.